What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be racing the GTI versus the Mustang here, so I just want to go over briefly what this car's got done to it to give you a little background. This is my 2002 GT. It's the 4.6 liter V8, so I'll pop the hood. Nothing special, it's pushing like 260 to the crank stock, but I have some work done to it. We got the BBK 78mm throttle body, we got an SR Performance cold air intake, and then we got the long tube headers. I'll link all these videos in the video in the description below so you can check them out if you're interested in more details about the car. Like I was saying, we got the long tube headers we installed this past summer, and that goes down to an off-road X pipe, and then it finishes out the back with the Flowmaster Thunderback catback. So it's pretty loud, it's quick, it's got a lot of torque for the 2-valve. I do have plans for the future to either turbocharge it or supercharge it, so that's going to be pushing serious power. And it's got a Bama flash tune on it, so I'd say it's pushing maybe like high 200s and pretty good torque. But the GTI is a lot lighter. I'm not sure the exact specs, and it's turboed, so he's definitely got a one-up in that sense. So let's go check out that car.
So like Wes was saying, it is turboed. This one's actually automatic compared to the manual Mustang. Yeah, I know, roast me, I don't care. But this is pretty much just a stage 2 APR tune GTI, all the bolt-ons and everything required for stage 2. Most likely going to sell it, so if you have this car and you want to see a bunch of videos on it, definitely check us out. We have maintenance, mods, a bunch of other tutorials and stuff like that. But as you can see over here, there's nothing special really under the hood, except for obviously the CTS turbo intake and then the CTS turbo catch can, which I probably should empty after this race. But yeah, it's pretty much all bolt-on stage 2. We're going to race. We have raced before, but it was a different time and different mods and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Let's just have some fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you like races and you want to see other races, we have a bunch of other cars in the fleet and even trucks. So just let us know down below. And if you're new, subscribe. Let's get into it.
Alright guys, let's get a little cold start on the 2002 2-valve here. Haven't driven her in a while, I apologize, she's a little dirty. So yeah, it's got a nice rumble at the idle here. Got that off-road X pipe, so it's got that deeper growl to it. It's pretty raspy once we get on it, so you hear that in a little bit. Got that nice little whistle to it in the intake. Pulling in a lot of air in that 78mm throttle body for that cold air intake, so plenty of air. We'll start up Austin's car in a little bit.
So I'm going to be using the head strap with the GoPro. He's going to be using the DSLR, and he's got his girlfriend Danielle, which is going to be filming from that perspective, and then this will be my perspective, and maybe, who knows, we'll switch it up when we get on the highway. But I'm going to do a cold start real quick.
That turbo, it's mint.
Good?
Yep. Alright guys, we made it to the highway now, so we're going to be doing a few rollers. We're going to probably be doing like 40 rollers, 50, 60. My car is definitely heavier than the GTI. I got a full tank of gas, which doesn't help in this case, but we're just having fun with it. I do have the 5-speed manual though, so with the Hirsch short throw shifter, I could outshift him if I'm a good enough driver, but he does have the stage 2 tune on it, so it is tuned to shift quicker as well, so we'll see how the matchup is. like 50 and 60 mile an hour rolls. Austin, I think I got the first one just because I didn't honk and we just did 1, 2, 3. But the last two, Austin took the lead, so he was definitely a little quicker. Only like maybe a car length or so, not much. We were pretty neck and neck, so that was a good race. It was fun. We're probably gonna turn around and start heading back and get a few more. So stay tuned. Yeah, car feels good though. Yeah. Looking sharp, even though she's dirty. GTI took the W 3 times. Alright, heading back home, get a few more runs in. You good? Yeah. All right. Here we go. Alright, let's hit it. Took the W on that one.
I don't like turns.
Woo! Flying! That felt good.
For today's video, we hope you enjoyed something different. We improvised. We wanted to give you guys some races and stuff like that. If you guys liked it, definitely let us know down below. We'll do more races, like I said in the intro, different cars, trucks, and eventually we're going to be able to take them to the tracks when the tracks open up, so we can do a track day. We got Dave's F-150 that's pushing 500 horsepower with the E50 tune, which is E85 and 93 mix. But yeah, if you guys liked it, thumbs up. Have anything to say? Or
I mean, it was a pretty good contest between these two. I mean, second gear definitely pulls harder than third gear, but he had me on the 50 rolls in third gear. But overall, I liked it.
Yeah, it was definitely fun, especially now that he's going to be either turboing this or supercharging. I'm not going to be able to keep up, so I think it's time to invest in the new car.
Yep.
But we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.